Assalamu alaikum everybody. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel once again. Thank you for joining me this weekend. It's Saturday today and I've got such a busy schedule today. Schedule meaning like loads of cleaning to do, just watering some plants because it's been quite warm for a couple of days, so I'm just watering the plants, keeping hydrated. And I'm just gonna grow some herbs as well. Last year I did the same because I love salads and I'm always going to supermarkets every other day to get more salads, so I thought it'd be a good idea to grow my own. And I grew them last year. I grew some lettuce, spinach, some coriander, some tomatoes, so I'm trying to do the same this year. Obviously it's almost, well, it's actually spring now, so I'm just trying to grow them. But I've got some new tags I've ordered from Amazon. I'll just put a piece of paper in there at the moment because I want to know what's what, otherwise I'll forget. So I've ordered the tags, so once I've done the tags I'll show you. Sorry guys if you can hear the washing machine, I'll just put some clothes in. But yeah, I'm just making some lunch now. It's a Saturday today, it's my day off, so I've just cut one potato with half an onion and some red pepper, and I'm gonna make it in the air fryer. And at the top section I just put some gluten-free fish fingers, so I'm just gonna stick that in now in the air fryer. I'm gonna spread it out a bit. Should I put some foil, but I don't have any foil left. I need to get some foil. Okay, so I'm just gonna do that. Sorry, I'm trying to do it with one hand, guys. Okay, do that. Actually, no, I'm gonna put the top section up as well. I forgot to do. Hang on, I forgot to put this, the fish finger section at the top. That's the fish fingers at the top, like that. And then now I'm just gonna stick that in, switch it on, and we're gonna switch the button on like so. So it's just the one that I need today, and the time I would say 20 minutes is fine. Temperature, that's fine. And I'm just gonna start it. Seasoning I used for that, so just sprayed a bit of oil, just a tiny bit of oil, and I'm using peri peri salt. Guys, here's my lunch. How it looks like, just taking out the air fryer. So you know I've got onions, got potato, tomatoes, lettuce, cucumber, and I'll put some hummus on the side and fish fingers, guys. It looks quite healthy actually. It's in the air fryer, so it's not too bad. It's quite healthy, but it's fine. It's a Saturday, so I deserve this bowl of good food. Got my cup of tea already. It looks quite bright outside. It's a Saturday today, which I explained earlier. It looks quite nice and bright. It was quite gloomy in the morning, but I think it's gone really nice. I'm just gonna have some lunch now. I'm watching a vlog, Amanda Assad's vlog, and I'm just having a break from cleaning. Last time you were with me, guys, was on Saturday. Sunday I didn't do much, just spent some time with family. And this is Monday, so I've got 2 shifts today. Monday morning, just come to do some visits. I just love this place. I'm working for 2 teams. This is another team that I'm working for, but the area around all these houses is amazing. It's like they've got one of the most oldest churches here, 1500 years old church that you'll see in a second. 1500 years, guys, this church here. And this area and this house have seen World War II as well, guys. Only one house got bombed slightly, but it still remains till today. It's absolutely amazing. I do love history. I would love to show you the houses, but I can't for privacy reasons, guys, because people are still living there. Has been a busy day, guys. I'm knackered. I've done a morning shift. I was working for 2 different teams today, so I did patients for both teams because they're both really short staffed, and I did some heavy lifting as well today, and my back's knackered. I already suffer from sciatica pain, so, and plus I told you I told you loads of times how tall I am and I have to bend down a bit more, so it just really messes up my lower back. So I just try to do stretches for sciatica as much as I can, and so that's why I just can't wait to get home today. So this was my evening shift. I did my morning shift, this is my evening shift. Now I've come to return this parcel, and then I'm just gonna drop by my sister's house because she's gonna give me some food. She wanted me to pick it up before I go home, and then because usually she gives me some food when I work in the evening, so it just makes it a bit easier for me, so I don't have to cook when I get home late. So yeah, and it's a very beautiful day, guys. Such a nice day today. Yeah, so I hope everyone's enjoyed the day. So I'm just gonna go into next now, guys. Hi, this is Wednesday. Today is my day off today. Last time I seen you was at my sister's house. After my shift, I was having some dinner with her. So I've just outfit of the day, light and casual. There's the outfit today because the weather's really nice. I've just come to Aldi in Castle Brom. I've come to a different one this time, and it's actually got a gluten-free section. No Aldis usually have gluten-free section, but this has. It's quite okay size, to be honest. It's got bread, biscuits, flour, you know, everything that you need basically. Just got home now, guys. I've got some lunch. I bought Pepe's today because obviously I couldn't be asked to come home and cook some lunch. I'm actually hungry, and then I've got to cook as well and put the groceries away. So I've got some juicy chicken wings in here. Flavour is hot. Some normal fries, not peri-peri. Some Pepe, sweet chili and garlic mayo, guys. And I've got some Tropicana orange juice. I'm just going to enjoy that now.
A week on a positive note.
Good room ceremony.
It was a good one for us. Apparently you want to do long distance with me? What was it like? After last night's commitments, I ran feeling good.
All in all, I think it was a great night.
Just gonna put these groceries away, guys. So I've just got some olive oil spray, some blueberries, dishwasher tablets. This is the range I got from Aldi for gluten-free flapjacks. So let's see, we'll taste that later. Got some mushrooms that I want to make for about a week. Avocados. I got this cauliflower and broccoli. I'm gonna make meat today. Meat and cauliflower. That's gosht gobi. So I thought I'd just use the gobi in these packets basically. It'd be quicker as well. Got some cherry tomatoes, oranges. Got some lemon, 0 sugar. It's probably got more sugar, but I just like the lemon drink. So basically I can mix it in with like with water, or mix it with different pops as well. I don't have to have it fully lemon. I can just put some soda water in there and stuff and mix it in and make it as a drink because it's quite warm now. Cucumber, lettuce, the same usual. I'm just going to put all this away now, then I'm going to start cooking, guys. I bought these as well. It's sour cherry gelato ice cream cups. Now that my belly's full, I can start cooking, guys. I don't know, I have to always have something to eat, have a cup of tea and then start cooking. I love cooking on my evenings off. Obviously it's my day off and my evening off today. So I haven't actually made meat for a long time, like gosh, I haven't made for a very long time, but I really fancied it today. I just wanted to put gobi in there, some kind of vegetable in there. I do usually make a lot of like garlic and stuff, but I really wanted to obviously use gobi today because obviously you should have all the vegetables. Every vegetable's got different vitamins, and it's always good for you anyway to have different kind of foods, not the same stuff all the time. But sometimes it's hard, like there's nothing at home, you just have to have the same thing every day. But yeah, just try your best to. I try to have a different vegetable every week. I do try my best, especially on my day off. Just cleaning up now. I'm just cooking as I'm going along. And I actually forgot how to make gosht because I haven't made it for such a long time, but it's quite simple. I asked my sister as well, so it's fine. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to having it tonight. I love it when you cook yourself, from scratch, and then like you enjoy your own food. My sisters, bless them, they're so good. They always give me so much food all the time, but their food's delicious as well, obviously, even better than mine. But when you cook yourself, there's something about cooking yourself and then having your meal. I don't know, it just feels more rewarding when you're actually enjoying your meal, basically. So I hope, what do you guys like cooking? What's your favorite dish? Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was like escape for you guys. But if you like it, please like and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. And do let me know in the comments below what you want to see in the future vlogs. Take care and stay safe. See you in my next vlog. Bye.